Hello everyone, it's Dragana from Saacibo. I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining me today, and a big welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate every single like and every comment. Thank you all very much for that, and thanks for the subscribers that have been with me from the start. I really appreciate that as well, all the support and wonderful words and comments that you sent me. It just makes me want to create more, and it keeps me inspired, and thank you so much for that. Today I want to share with you just a quick flip through of this little journal that I made, and I'm about to send it off to its new owner. So before I do that, I just wanted to document what it looked like, and it is a birthday present, so I won't be releasing this video until after the birthday, because I didn't want to spoil the surprise for this person. They've seen it, what it looks like on the outside, but they haven't seen it inside, because that was their wish. They want to be surprised for their birthday. So I'm filming it now, but it won't be released for about a month. It's a really nice one. Let me just grab my ruler if I can find it. Oh, it's here. So the size is 13 centimeters across, or 5 inches, or 7 inches 18.5, and the spine is about 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches. It's got 3 signatures. I created a little cluster of flowers on the front, and also I did some lace flowers at the back. This is light denim fabric that I put over the cover, and I stitched the cover all around using zigzag stitch. Go. It's quite full. Let's begin. Alright, this person's birthday is in September, and I put a little September 2021. A little stamp day on some tea stamp paper. It's a little pocket and another pocket. Card. Now this signature here is something that I come up with because I wanted to use the handmade paper in this signature, and because when I make it, it's actually smaller than the A4 size. It's actually a bit less than A5, and I didn't know how to put it in, so I just used a piece of, like a strip of packaging paper, and then I glued this handmade paper to it. So that was the way to bind it. I didn't want to use the tape or anything else. I just used that piece of packing paper, and I thought it looked really nice, and I just added some stamps. So that's one way of adding papers that are shorter, or actually smaller than the book, and you want them in. That's one of the ways to do it. person who ordered this book from me mentioned that they really like sunflowers, and I had this little charm, sunflower charm, and I thought it would look really nice there. Those butterflies are printed on that handmade paper, and I just glued it on top of that signature cover. It's just one decoration that I added there. It can be used as a like a tuck. You can put things there or just leave it as is. Here is one of those junk mail envelope pockets that I created with a A4 sheet of paper, but I also added some pretty scrapbooking paper to create like double pockets. So there's pocket there and then there's pocket there. So it's the same on this side. And there's a pocket here as well. I printed this image on the book page. It was a gardening book that fell apart, so whenever there was an empty space in the book, I used that paper to print images on, and they really turned out looking nice, almost as if they were always there. Now that's from packaging paper, and this bit of paper was glued there, but when I cut it I didn't realize, and then later on this actually lifted off and I like the effect, so it's one of the happy accidents. Alright, tag here, and we have one of those specimens. It's just the grass from my backyard. There's a page from that book, gardening book, and there was a bit of a text here, so I just covered it with a pocket, but I left the roses on top. I thought they looked nice. I love how that page turned out. I think I used coffee, tea, and a bit of onion skin in that solution to color the paper. Pocket here. Okay, and this sunflower turned out so nice. I printed it on my handmade paper just using inkjet printer, and then I cut it with a die cut in the shape of a tag, and I didn't want to turn it into a tag. I actually just glued it on top of this page, so I thought it was really nice. And here we have that little boy with a bird. Stenciling there. It's almost like a wheel, just a doily, wheel doily with a split pin, and just like a decoration. Again, the gardening book page that had all those lovely images of different plant species, and can be turned that way or that way. I didn't want to cut it off. We have here just a little booklet made from paper scraps. again we have a pocket made out of junk mail envelope. I decorated with the scrapbooking paper and I added a bit of ruffled silk and one of my charms with poppy flowers, which again are one of the favorite flowers of the person who ordered this book. And there's a little surprise. These two cards that I picked from my herbal collection digital kit, but I've picked the cards with specific numbers that represent this person's birthday. So it's the 27th of the 9th. I hope she notices. I didn't tell her that I'm gonna do that, but it's just another way to actually reference that event. Again, here it's the year of the birth. We have here there's a tag with a dragonfly. She likes dragonflies, she told me so, and I like them too. There's a pocket there. A little, like a belly band place to tuck in something. Over here I had some of the music sheets that are not enough to do the page, so, and this page was ripped as well here, so I just inked this edge of the paper and that edge of the music sheet, and I just glued in between, and it really turned out really nice, I think. Okay, just a little, again, the birthday there, little tag which says happy birthday. It's made from handmade paper. I just stamped some butterfly images onto this one. This is just, again, some tea stained paper that I sprayed with a gold fabric paint. And just a little journaling spot. And over here is just the certificate of authenticity and a little pocket. It says time is precious. So, I guess that little journal, it turned out really cute. I think it's just adorable, and I hope she likes it. Okay, and I'm planning on releasing this video a day after her birthday. Margaret, if you're watching, I wish you a very happy birthday. Okay, that was it from me today, just a quick flip through. Thank you for joining me, thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye!